Please subscribe, like, and share.
Eja na atomu wa ha. Eja atomu wa ha awie na a very serious something. Ma de mama I am aware ho ni say eja tomu aka eja security agencies na omo ye omo dwuma na abehwe se de yare ya abe ya kasa obi anche fie na abehwe se de enipa bodompem wa ha na misuro ma e san say nyame pengu de se nipa wa ha no so obi wo bi wo mu aye nte asempa enti mesress asem sise ya public ni nyai security men no munye omodwuma no munya say ye behwe say jana escalate kra na ye ndi apart from that yare ya be said the distance here ye ka ho asem enipa for forest wo ha bebre omunye bibia omunyina ye behwe ade fo enti de me be enta me ko hu police commander no maka chen say oncle omunyina free I don't think it's proper. So far there is too early, but me feel say a dime by said 2 and 3 there. When I see but I think part of it is gone. It's too early to determine, but I feel say near my biash. We should know money idea. I mean, the only year immediately, but near my biash fine. A free that house or baby I got just any near money go. Mean to me immediately the cause of it. A fire service for your investigation. If we are any the cause of the fire. CCRD is too early. You are district and I am to have for land along Pantana. District director no how on the boys who are assessment. Only assessment beyond the Bebre and your regional director. A year about near the court national headquarters. Near her, then we take it from there.
We're on patrol there.
Hi, on patrol. Okay. Thank you so much. Nadmo, who is in charge? Thank you very much. Of course, if you know how to me, we say, Ashe, Papa na on man say no. Ye be man etua. Aban hwe na on man ntua because we be a factory won fie ho. Into on hwe na on ye ndua and a TNG kind of e wo ho no. Into on hwe. Ashe 3-bedroom house. It's a 3-bedroom house. What's it? Me person abandon she say factory na papa na bie wa ha say no. Ombra no on be make on finding out. Ejuma be permit be na owo a o de be bie factory or residential area. Nti on me person abandon be twem. Me person abandon be twem permit be na owo. Openyi be ana why na money kwan say on bie factory a ebetimi asay akose ham wo area nim. Nti on be twem enu na me pe. No mu fa omu hwehwe no so because obetimi adwane nti yen hwehwe no even lockdown ko mu ye adwuma nti no hwe mimi nim no mini oye Nigeria man o rafi okra o ma wo wrem na me papa force yan na o rafi o omu ma wo wrem Or Nigeria because a Jumana or Yanito on Peso Biaben and Najuna a container Abe Pake was in a yin yama at your ruffian.
Eh? That's what we don't understand. Look at what he has caused this guy. Situation, in fact, I disturb here because we don't expect such a thing here. I don't know. I was told he's a Nigeria guy. This is the factory, and he has kept this thing, the plastic tea and jail, behind somebody's fence wall. Look at what he has caused the person. They have to take this man on. They have to take this man on. I don't know, but they have to take this man on. Because if it's the factory, let us know that this place is the factory, so that this place can be located or they do something about it. But look at what you have done. Instead of putting your things down there, you just put your things here. This small fire, look at what he has destroyed. He has destroyed so many things here. So the government have to, really charge this guy. I don't know him. I haven't seen him before. Thank you very much.
All right. At about 11:23 hours, we had a call at our master control that there was a fire outbreak at this premises. So in about 10 minutes, we were here. And when we got here, the fire was well alight because there was a lot of combustible materials here. In fact, we initially thought it was a domestic fire looking at the area, but we saw that it was used as a commercial, it was used for commercial purposes. So we called for more pumps. At the moment, we have 6 fire tenders. We call it pumps, who have come to fight the fire, and it is now under control. We've already started investigations, and when we are through with the investigation, we'll let you know.
Okay. Were you able to conclude on first-hand information that residents around here reported?
We are yet to do investigations and to know what exactly happened. But so far, the fire is under control. We are getting more water to quench it. Now, what we're doing now is trying to put the stacks down because it involves a lot of chipboard that's in stacks. And so it's a bit difficult fighting such fire. So probably what we need is an excavator, but we're trying to do it with our hands to pull the stacks down, then we'll extinguish it.
Okay, how hard was it to contain the fire from spreading to the neighboring homes?
It's been a difficult fire because when you have fires involving highly combustible material, it's quite difficult, but with the able men and the assistance of the people around, we've been able to contain the fire.
Okay, finally, speaking to the owner of the facility, were you able to conclude on, let me say, how much damage has been had here?
No, we're yet to arrive at the extent of damage, and that will be part of the investigation. So when we get there, we will let you know. Welcome.
This area, we are in this area before even them come. We are in this area before that. Those people who say that we are here before them come. So actually, when something like this comes, you always see people showing opposition of the issue. So I don't know actually what they mean. After meeting me in this area, they want me to pack off. I don't know what they want. And actually, the work is no longer going because of the coronavirus.
But a number of residents said even when the government directed for the lockdown started, you guys were still in operation. And even
that is why I told you that no one is working there. They will stop the operation last 2 weeks because the production we normally do it. When we get more, we leave it. Those who was doing the work, the carpenter work, they normally be at Kumasi. So whenever they come, then do the production. We have a more production, then go away from the Kumasi.
Okay, sorry, last one. Do you believe that all of the complaints about your product, your facility here is motivated by maybe what you believe as dislike for Nigerians? Because I spoke to one of your, let me say your brother over here, and he said...
I don't have any brother. I don't have any brother. I don't have any brother. I don't have any brother here.
Yeah, come move back because I say 6 months. Over decades, I will be a factory. I say 6 months, and I will be a.
Please subscribe, like, and share.